guys, how are you? Okay, today we're going to work on page 53. So we have grammar in use and we have a song. Okay, so you are going to listen a scene. Okay, then you are going to answer where each ingredient comes from. Okay, example, milk comes from a country cow, and you are going to underline the answer. Okay, then we have exercise E. Read the sentences. Which action is happening now and which action will happen in the future? We have two sentences. We have we are making vanilla pudding tomorrow. What do you think? Is in the future or is happening now? Very good. Is in the future. And then we have I am dreaming about it now. Okay, look, you have the word now. Okay, so the action is happening now. Okay, you have the keyword here. Okay, now. Very good. Then we have grammar and we have present continuous for future plans. Okay, then we have read each sentence, underline the present continuous tense, then circle the future time word or words. Okay, you have examples in the presentation, and then we have a small exercise. Make a chart like this one, then talk to your partner about it. Okay, but you're not going to talk with your partner, so you are going to make the chart. Okay, and when you finished, please send me a picture, okay, to Moodle. Okay, and then you are going to write three sentences, okay, using present continuous for future plans in your notebook. If you want, you can paste a picture. Goodbye.